Prepare your own fresh artisan coffee at home with Coffee Bean Roaster. Add up to 70 grams of coffee beans to the borosilicate glass cup and press the button to set the time. Anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes depending on your desired roasting result. The possibilities are endless in creating your favorite roast with different types and quantities of beans and roasting times. Coffee Bean Roaster is pleasing to the eye and a joy to look at while the beans are being roasted due to its transparent design. With a roasting temperature of up to 230 degrees Celsius, you can also roast nuts, seeds, cereals, or even popcorn in just a few minutes. The timer will count down to 0 on the display. It automatically cools and shuts down when the roasting is completed. Take out the detachable glass, pour it out, and rest the beans before storing them in a container. As a final step, grind your freshly roasted beans when brewing your cup of coffee.